Hello everybody. Now the one that some of you may or may not be waiting for. This is the Cub S by Horizon Hobbies, or the Carbon Cub SS Light Sport. It's got safe technology built into it. It's the ultimate beginner plane. It's got a lot of new features that you can import into the plane. Horizon Hobbies has been really going to town with building their aircraft. Down here, you can pop that out and you can actually put a landing sensor so it will never crash on you, which that's what I'm thinking of purchasing myself. It's just a few things that I got to change when it comes to these planes, as you do. Had a few rough landings, but we'll get there in the end. It's quite a wonderful plane. I like it, and I recommend anybody getting them, as there are you can get an RTF kit or a B&F, and they fly beautiful. You just need a longer runway, and obviously I need to buy more parts. But that's life. You're always buying stuff for upgrades and trying to better the other one. As I see, you got a few stress cracks, but it's nothing to worry about as it's just on the paint. I'll be fixing them later up today. Landing gear is really good, just need to fix it slightly, especially when it comes to these screw pieces. They need adjustments. I'll probably adjust the whole plane so it's ready to run again properly. Take the prop off, get it a clean, start all over again. Yeah, it's been a long haul, but it's coming up well. Would recommend this to anyone, and I'll leave a link in the description to go buy it, especially if you're in Australia, as Horizon Hobbies does not directly ship to Australia unless you are a dealer. But for personal use, I'll leave links for this. Yes, this I will be honest, this will not be forever, as I'll be getting a rack and putting them on this wall. Have an 8 rack bolted up to the wall so we can just go straight in, and they will be nice and cleaner. Of course, I'll be purchasing them in the next couple of weeks, and that's it on the Carbon Cub. I'll see you on the next one, which is the Turbo Timber. Cheers guys.